Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are highly and most welcome. So if you're actually a subscriber, you are equally welcome guys. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a remedy that would help you to tighten up your flappy and your saggy skin. Okay, now the thing is that it is not only the old people that tend to experience these things nowadays because of the food and the lifestyle that we live. Yeah, it is actually better you prevent it than allowing it stay, and before you know it you're gonna be so unhappy with your skin. Why not use this very simple remedy to help clear all of those things and have a plump looking skin? Yeah, so follow me, let me show you all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using and how I'm going to be applying it. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe here, thumbs up, and share the video. Now let's go. Okay guys, so if you're having that sagginess of skin and you're having that flappiness of skin, like you don't like the way your skin is loose, guys, this home remedy is going to be perfect. And this is oats. Yeah, this is oatmeal though. Oatmeal is very perfect to firm up the skin, and it also helps to tighten it up. Okay, so we're going to be needing just a little quantity of the oatmeal. Just 2 tablespoons of this oat milk is perfect guys, because when it gets into the water it's gonna swirl. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing some milk, because lactic acid is very important for the skin. It helps to glow the skin and remove stretch mark, and it also helps to increase the elasticity of the skin guys. So we're going to be putting some dry milk, and then we'll stir it together. This is basically something that you can actually enjoy eating, but it is also very good for the skin. And then also we're going to be needing a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil is a great remedy for the skin, and it also helps for glowing up the skin, removing large and open pores, and it definitely leaves the skin looking tight and firm. So about half of a teaspoon of olive oil is going to be perfect, and then we'll try to mix it. It is very, very important for you to dry mix all of your ingredients first before you actually put in any liquid. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing some honey. Now you have to use your organic honey, because honey is a great moisturizing agent for the skin. For a flappiness of skin to get tighter and firmer, you have to be needing some honey. Okay, so I would have to be putting in 1 tablespoon of honey, and then try to mix this up together. It's yummy, but we're gonna be using it for our skin. Okay guys, to make this even better, we're equally going to be needing some rice. Now rice helps to lighten up the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin pigmented free and dark spot free. So we're going to be needing just a little quantity of the rice, which is about half of a tablespoon. Okay, and then we dry mix also. Okay guys, so to make this work really well, we'll be needing egg. Egg helps in tightening up the skin. It helps to leave the skin glowing and beautiful, and it also helps to make your skin look flawless, because it reduces the size of an open pores, and it tightens and firm up the skin. So we're going to be putting all of it into this ingredient, and then mix it and mix it really good. Now if the consistency of this treatment is going to be too thick, we're going to be adding a little bit of water. Alright, so we're going to be putting just a little bit of water so that it won't get too thick. And then I would have to seek for the assistance of my manual blender, because using that is going to help to mix it really well. Manual mixer, sorry. So mix it really good. And yes guys, this is it. Tighten up a flappy skin with this, and this is just everything you need. Let me go use it on my skin and show you how effective this is. Okay guys, so to tighten those flappy and saggy skin, we're going to be needing this. I just showed you how to prepare this, and the best thing for you to do now is to refrigerate this. Okay, refrigerate it, and then you dab your face with water. Okay, so what you do is to dab your face with water, and since I'm actually in my toilet, I'm actually dabbing my face with water right now, so that it can enable the treatment actually, you know, get deep into my skin really quick, and then tighten up the skin. So this is how you apply it. Just like this. Okay guys, so for this particular ingredient, you have to make sure that it dries, and trust me, it smells really good. It smells really good. Oh my goodness. So before it dries up, you then scrub it first. So that's what I'm doing right now, scrubbing it. Those flappy skin is going to tighten them up. So, and then after which you scrub, and then you apply this. So after doing this, then it stays like this. Okay, you then allow it to dry. Okay, when it dries, that's when you are sure that it's going to tighten up your skin. Like, it's going to dry really well, that you won't be able to talk, like your face is going to get really tighter. Okay, so when it gets tight like that, you know that you are good. Okay, Now if you repeat this treatment at least 3 times in a day, or sorry, 3 times in a week, man, you're going to be there, like you are gonna be there, okay, to help you firm up your skin and glow it all up. Yeah, okay, so I'll go wash mine off. Before I wash it off, I'll have to stay a little while, let it tighten up my skin, because man, this is just what I rely on to get that glow. Okay guys, so that's it. To tighten up and plump up your skin, you have to let it dry, just like I told you, and you have to at least be drinking a lot of water. Like me, I drink water every morning, and give yourself some sleep, yeah, and use this, and it's gonna be helpful. And also you have to be consistent, because not just using for one day and before you know it, you'll come back and say, oh, it didn't work. Be consistent, and you're gonna see a whole lot of difference. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye guys, and